Well, well, well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beards Diaries. All right, we're back. And looking a little disheveled. Well, we were, but we'll get into that. Before we get into that, if you weren't following or if you don't follow me on Instagram, I went on a snowboarding trip, and when I was out there, I met up with my twin brother and my cousin, and it was absolutely amazing. Here are a few clips. So we made it safe and sound over the other side of the Rockies. It was super sketch, but not as sketch as it was on the Denver side. I'll show you the scenery right now. Okay, it's cold, gotta go. Boop. All right, with that out of the way, today we're gonna do a simple cleanup of the beard. But now, mind you, I don't like anything overdone, so it's gonna be quite simple. And it's actually already happened, so let's put this in reverse. Just like that, we are done. Super simple, super easy, and super quick, but yet it can have a tremendous difference on your overall appearance. And next up, we're gonna go ahead and pretty much do the same thing. Gonna keep the same theme alive as far as being quick, easy, and simple with the hair. So stay tuned for that. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.